Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get Roblox on Nintendo Switch, so let's get started. If you want to access Roblox on a Nintendo Switch, you can do so through the console's hidden web browser. Keep in mind that Roblox does not currently have an official Nintendo Switch app, so this method only lets you access Roblox through the browser and may not provide the full experience. Start by turning on your Nintendo Switch and opening System Settings from the home menu. Scroll down to Internet, then select Internet Settings. Choose the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to and select Change Settings. Scroll down until you find DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. Next, select Primary DNS. Remove the existing numbers and enter 045.055.142.122. After entering the DNS, press the plus button to confirm and save the changes. Once the settings have been saved, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. During the connection process, you may see a message saying registration is required. This is expected, so continue by selecting Next, then choose Continue to Google when prompted. A web browser will open on your Switch. From there, search for Roblox using Google and open the official Roblox website. When the site loads, sign in with your Roblox account or create a new one if you don't already have one. You can then browse Roblox and access supported features through the browser. Just remember that because this isn't an official Nintendo Switch version of Roblox, some features and gameplay may be limited compared to playing on other supported devices. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.